It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. A person who won't read has no advantage over one who can't read. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. Suppose you were an idiot, and suppose you were a member of Congress, but I repeat myself. Get your facts first, then you can distort them as you please. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. In the first place, God made idiots. That was for practice. Then he made school boards. Patriotism is supporting your country all the time, and your government when it deserves it. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do the day after tomorrow. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. Good friends, good books and a sleepy conscience, this is the ideal life. The lack of money is the root of all evil. A man's character may be learned from the adjectives which he habitually uses in conversation. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. Part of the secret of a success in life is to eat what you like and let the food fight it out inside. Do the thing you fear most and the death of fear is certain. There are basically 2 types of people. People who accomplish things, and people who claim to have accomplished things. The first group is less crowded. Truth is stranger than fiction, but it is because fiction is obliged to stick to possibilities, truth isn't. Thunder is good, thunder is impressive, but it is lightning that does the work. Giving up smoking is the easiest thing in the world. I know because I've done it thousands of times. Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence on society. Never pick a fight with people who buy ink by the barrel. When you fish for love, bait with your heart, not your brain. Life would be infinitely happier if we could only be born at the age of 80 and gradually approach 18. I don't like to commit myself about heaven and hell. You see, I have friends in both places. A man is never more truthful than when he acknowledges himself a liar. The right word may be effective, but no word was ever as effective as a rightly timed pause. Loyalty to petrified opinion never yet broke a chain or freed a human soul. Don't part with your illusions. When they are gone, you may still exist, but you have ceased to live.